Since 1975, Larry Speck has lived architecture at UT, first as a school dean, and now as Centennial Professor, he's become perhaps the foremost scholar on UT's rich architectural history. A history that begins with Sidney Macis, school president from 1909 to 1915.
UT was a fledgling, little, struggling college, but he had these ambitions. And so he hired this amazing architect, Cass Gilbert from New York, to do this master plan and show this vision of what this university could be physically. The very first sketch that Cass Gilbert did was, replacing the old main building, which was a modest structure, with this, it was like St. Peter's sitting on top of the hill. And what happened was we started building this great campus, and then we became this great university.
In 1922, Herbert Green brought a bit of local flavor to the 40 acres.
Herbert Green was a Texan. He was from Dallas. And so he inherited this master plan from Cass Gilbert, the New York guy, but he Texanized those buildings some too. And he also did some of these big sports facilities, Gregory Gym, and he did the beginning of Darrell K. Royal Memorial Stadium. The first important era on the 40 acres was Cass Gilbert, the second one was Herbert Green, the third one was Paul Cray. Cray was very, very respectful of that master plan. He did everything from the Texas Memorial Museum and Hogg Auditorium, which are Art Deco buildings, to very classical buildings like the Union and Goldsmith Hall. There also was never a notion this should be cookie cutter or that it should be like army barracks. And that was a good thing because he did a heck of a lot of buildings. It wouldn't have been bad if they'd all just looked the same.